You gonna climb up there?
Ethan, you want to climb?
Go ahead. Show
Come
us.
on.
Go ahead. Come on.
Hi, Ethan.
Come on. Come on. This way. You gotta crawl if you're gonna go up there. Go ahead.
Good boy.
Oops, go ahead. There you go. You got it.
Woohoo!
Wow, look at him. All the way up.
Yay! Where are you going now?
I'm gonna get you. Boom, 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 boom.
Ah!
Hey. Ooh. You gonna go towards mommy? Look at mommy.
Hi, Ethan. Good job. You climbed the stairs on your own.
Clap your hands.
Clap your hands.
Yeah. This is Ethan.
Climb the stairs. Ready?
No, down. Start him down. He'll crawl himself. Just slow him down. Here, come. Just stay behind. Hey! Yeah, come on. That's right. Just stay on the side of him. You don't have to stand behind him. He knows how. He's not going to fall. Come on. Yay! Good job! Yay!
Clap your hands, Ethan. Clap your hands. Yay!
Good
Yay!
job!
Clap your hands. Yay! Okay, that's it, folks.
Yeah, he's got to get tired now. He's been up and such at least more than once. Lots of energy. Feeling better today, huh? Okay, bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Clap your hands.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay, jump, 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 jump. Good boy.
Can you jump?
Clap your hands. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Jump, jump. Okay, go to daddy. I will come tickle you. I will come tickle you.
What is that? Hello.
Good job. Mwah.
That's mommy in the nose. Okay, don't eat the couch. I mean the... Good job. Say hello.